Here are 5 items that you can get from a supermarket that you can actually use in your car. Come on, let's see what we can find. Number 1, white vinegar. It's great for cutting through stubborn window haze, watermarks, and even as a de-icer. Simply dilute it with some water, spray it on your windscreen, and let the magic happen. But make sure none goes on any paintwork because it can be slightly abrasive. Number 2, tea bags. Yes, simple tea bags. Put them on your dash or under your seat and they absorb the moisture to help with condensation and also help prevent some nasty odours. Number 3 is washing up liquid. Simply put a little bit on a microfiber cloth and rub it onto the inside of your windscreen. This helps prevent fogging up and is even commonly used in racing. And don't forget to stay up to date on all things tyres and servicing and make sure to hit that subscribe button. Number 4, bicarbonate of soda. It's great for lifting those stubborn stains and even odours. Simply put it in as it is for the odours to help lift them out the air, or make a little paste, rub it on the fabric and it'll help get rid of those stains. But make sure to do a patch test first. Number 5 is cat litter, which is a surprisingly great hack for condensation. Just fill up an old sock full of cat litter, put it under your seat or on your dash, and it'll absorb the moisture from the air, leaving your windscreen nice and clear. So there we have it, 5 common household items that you can get at the supermarket that's going to make your motoring a little bit easier. To find out more, head to EdenTyres.com.